here we are in the words, phrases, geography classroom. So what I'm going to do is show you some flags, give you a second to see if you can guess the country. Hey everybody, welcome to Words Phrases. The word we're going to look at today is this one, and it's pronounced archipelago. Archipelago. And it means a group of islands surrounded by the sea. The pronunciation goes something like this. Archipelago. This is the phonetic spelling, archipelago. And if you don't read that, it's something like this, archipelago. 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 Right. What we're going to do is have a little geography class and have a look at some countries that are in fact archipelagos. Well then, here we are in the words, phrases, geography classroom. So what I'm going to do is show you some flags, give you a second to see if you can guess the country. So, what's this? Of course, this is the United Kingdom, which is, surprisingly, an archipelago, and it's right there, in case you didn't know. Another. I wish I knew the national anthem, but I'm afraid I don't. Anybody know? It is the archipelago of the Philippines, which, again, in case you didn't know, is there. Wow. What's this flag? So this is probably, I think I'm right in saying, the largest archipelago of a country in the world. It is Indonesia, which is around here, all this huge area. Okay, so those are some well-known countries, but let's have a look at some lesser-known countries. Okay, look at this beautiful flag. Sorry, that looks a bit small. Does anybody know where this is, or which archipelago this is? All right, it's the archipelago of the Seychelles. Now, does anyone know where that is? The Seychelles is roughly there, all right, in the Indian Ocean. Please don't get angry if I'm in slightly in the wrong place. All right, let's have a look at another. Look at this beautiful flag. Beautiful except for my printer. Anybody know? This is St. Vincent and the Grenadines, which is an archipelago roughly there. All right, off the coast of Indonesia. Off the coast of Venezuela. All right, let's have a look at one more. Wow, look at this beautiful flag. Does anybody know what this country is? Okay, this is the archipelago of Vanuatu. And Vanuatu is, again, roughly there in the Pacific, close-ish to Australia. Okay, so there you are. Archipelago. Don't forget, pronunciation. Archipelago. Archipelago. A group of islands. So, finally, all I have to say to you is, can you name an archipelago? Put it in the comments. Alright, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Goodbye from Vanuatu.